The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most talked about drones of the year. Fans of aerial photography and videography are buzzing with excitement about what DJI's next mini-series drone might bring. Even though DJI recently launched the Compact Neo for everyday moments, the mini-series continues to dominate for serious aerial photography. It's the go-to choice for drone enthusiasts who want portability without compromising on quality. In this video, we'll explore the anticipated features, possible release date, and the exciting upgrades expected in the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro could bring some incredible improvements while maintaining its lightweight design. A key rumor is an upgraded camera sensor. Many believe DJI might include a 1-inch sensor, a step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. Why is this important? A larger sensor captures more light, which means sharper details, better performance in low light, and stunning image quality. Perfect for those breathtaking shots of landscapes, even in tricky conditions. Another exciting possibility is enhanced AI tracking. With better object tracking capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro could follow fast-moving subjects like cars or cyclists more accurately. This makes it an ideal drone for action-focused videography. But there's a catch. DJI faces a unique challenge with the Mini series, the 250g weight limit. Why is this weight so important? In many regions, including the US, drones under 250g can be flown without an FAA license. This makes the Mini series more accessible to beginners and casual users. However, adding major upgrades like a larger sensor or a bigger battery could push the drone past this limit. DJI will have to balance meaningful upgrades while staying within this crucial weight class. Beyond the camera, other upgrades could include 5G connectivity. This feature would improve real-time transmission, provide smoother live feeds, and offer better control for remote piloting. There's also hope for a slight improvement in flight time. The Mini 4 Pro already delivers an impressive 40-minute flight time. The Mini 5 Pro might match or slightly improve this without compromising weight. So, when can we expect the Mini 5 Pro? DJI typically follows an annual release cycle for the Mini series. For example, the Mini 4 Pro launched about a year after the Mini 3 Pro. If this trend continues, rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro could arrive as early as November this year. This timeline gives DJI enough time to perfect the design and testing. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to refine everything we love about the Mini series. From better imaging with a larger sensor to improved AI tracking and potentially 5G connectivity, this drone could take aerial photography to the next level. It may not revolutionize the Mini series, but it will likely deliver practical, meaningful upgrades. For beginners, it could still be the perfect starting point, offering ease of use, portability, and premium features. What features are you most excited to see in the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates on DJI's upcoming releases. Thanks for watching.